In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a new email using Microsoft Outlook. We'll cover everything from composing your message to checking for spelling and grammar errors, ensuring it's polished and ready to send. Whether you're new to Outlook or need a refresher, I've got you covered every step of the way. Let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Outlook is one of the most widely used email clients, offering robust features for personal and professional communication. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is head over to the Home tab on the top of your screen. This is where you'll find the New Email button. Give it a click and you'll see a new window pop up for composing your message. Creating your email is pretty straightforward. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. You can also add more recipients in the CC and BCC fields if needed. Next, add a subject line that clearly conveys the purpose of your email. A concise and informative subject line helps ensure your message gets the attention it deserves. Now let's move on to composing the body of your email. You can talk about anything that needs to be addressed, keeping your audience in mind to match the tone and style accordingly. Whether it's a quick note to a colleague or a detailed proposal, ensuring clarity and professionalism is key. As you type, feel free to format the text with options available in the ribbon above, such as bolding important information or adding bullet points for easy readability. Once you've finished writing your message, it's crucial to double check for any spelling or grammar mistakes that might have sneaked in. For this, you'll need to go to the Review tab at the top of the window. Here you'll see the Spelling and Grammar button. When you select this option, Outlook will scan your email for any errors and offer suggestions for corrections. This is an invaluable tool to ensure your email is error-free and polished. After making any necessary corrections, take one last look to ensure everything looks good and all attachments are in place if you've included any. Consistently applying these habits can make a significant difference in your email communications, both professionally and personally. And that's it, you're done. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and hit Send. Email communication is fundamental to staying connected, and mastering these simple steps will help you maintain professionalism and clarity in your messages. Thanks for joining me today. Take these tips and apply them the next time you're crafting an email in Outlook. And remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy emailing.